Oh my God!
Take a picture.
You're welcome to the family.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. We love you so much.
Thank
Everything will be there for you guys.
you.
Yeah.
Oh my God!
Congratulations. Congratulations. Ayun, kasi yung Kenya ako.
Thank you.
Sa nyingi.
I really appreciate this. Thanks for being always here for us.
Yeah. I was always there for you guys.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Betty.
Yeah.
She say yes.
She said yes.